A beautiful collage of saffron, white and green, along with a house flag, Birla High School, flying in bright sky. To let the glory of the school remain. Let us hold the flag high, let it flutter against the shiny blue sky.
The march past begins with the roll of the drum, the band striking up to herald the 6 houses into a gallant motion. The high-pitched voices by the commanders to lead the contingents into a well-synchronized swinging of arms and foot with exceptional teamwork. It is a spectacle itself. Training, coordination, and comradeship is evident in its execution. The Birla High School flag flying high, reminding us about its motto, Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya, leading us from darkness unto light, and our vision, freeing the mind. Each house flag here is unfurled to remind one and all that we need to live in peace, harmony, and our strength lies in unity.
Home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
March past is being led by the student president, Yuk Kemka of class 12 Com C, who heads the contingent with the school flag displayed gloriously. He is a sports enthusiast, compassionate at heart, and has led the school team to many victories. His aim is high academic excellence, followed by the school commander, Choyon Roy of class 11 Science B, who is an NCC cadet, a firm disciplinarian, and has participated in a number of events organized by the armed forces. Choyon is an equestrian champion and a badminton enthusiast. The sports secretary, Rishabh Agarwal of 11 Science C, has bagged numerous awards during the pre-COVID sports. Perseverance and commitment are his watchwords. The head boy of the school, Arjun Jalan of class 10, is passionate about learning. Arjun is the proud recipient of the Student of the Year Award 2018. His motto is, "Dreams and teamwork work together."
Following the student council, we have the first house parade before you. The first brigade to march is the boys from Tagore House in exuberant green. Green, the color of life, renewal, nature, and energy, associated with meanings of growth, harmony, freshness, safety, fertility, and environment. Named after one of the greatest scholars, writers, poets, and playwrights of Bengal, Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore, we present to you Flag Bearer Krish Pandey and House Commander Adyansh Mishra, the stars of the Green House. And ladies and gentlemen, on this bright winter morning, imbued with exhilaration, the second marchers in blue, rightfully exhibiting the motto of unity and discipline. Trudging ahead are bold representatives in blue, with their flag bearer Ram Daftari and House Commander Ishan Musaddi. Marching ahead is the contingent from Ashok House, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Into the heaven of freedom, let the marchers of this millennia wake, never giving up, never giving in, the Ashok House contingency.
Following Ashok House, we have Shivaji House. The boys of Shivaji House in exuberant yellow, the color of the mind and intellect, headed by the proud flag bearer Kandhandhania and the house commander Yash Bihani. They are the stars of the Yellow House, ladies and gentlemen, with a gait and bearing that is unrivaled. The troop in yellow exude traits of optimism, courage, friendliness, emotional strength, and creativity, marked by the gorgeous foliage and blended with the fervor of the autumn season, a second spring, a season of soul and of nature. Here are the marchers whose stride speak of self-confidence. Following Shivaji House, we have the troop from Gandhi House, headed by Devansh Kasera, and commanding the legion is Vedansh Rungta. In a gentle way, you can shake the world was Mahatma Gandhi's lesson to the youth, and to stir you all in spotless white, symbolizing serenity, purity, and perfection, opening the way for the creation of anything the mind can conceive, presenting an impeccable marching with verve and vigor, vigilant, meticulous, and methodical. Here comes the boys representing Gandhi House.
Followed by the Pratap House. This contingent is being led by Harshveer Singh Sekho of 11th Commerce C, who is the house commander, and keeping the spirit of the house flying high is flag bearer Akshat Jain of 11th Science B. The color of the house, orange, is the color that denotes faith, joy, happiness, and represents the Indian culture that is full of optimism, energy, and positivity. This contingent marches ahead with the true spirit of valor and the ideals of Maharana Pratap, who stands as a symbol of heroism. Last but definitely not the least is the Netaji House, and this contingent is being led by Shreyansh Oja of 10B and Rajneet Banerjee, the flag bearer of 11th Science C. The Netaji House marches ahead in red. The color red, the color of blood, sacrifice, courage, passion, activity, love, joy. The house lives up to the ideals of Subhash Chandra Bose, who said, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom," marching ahead with full vigor, energy, and an inherent desire to excel naturally with pride and dignity.
Following in tow is the Birla High School Band. Birla High School takes immense pride in presenting to you a rhythmic ensemble moving forward with commitment towards perfection. Comprising 30 boys from classes 9 to 11 with the school flag, Devan Surana from 12 Commerce, royally marching ahead, instilling in us the sense of dignity and pride the cadets bring to it. Followed by Shashwat Agarwal with a major stick, and boys rhythmically moving ahead with their cattle drums, cymbal, metal maracas, and big drums. A painter paints pictures on canvas, but musicians paint their pictures in silence. Under the able and expert guidance of Sri Deepakur Bhattacharya, teacher of tabla, and in the tunes of Mr. Rolinga Shaha, teacher of synthesizer, swaying in the melody of Muktiro Mundiro Shopano Tole, Sare Jahan Se Acha, and a medley of a few energizing songs with a patriotic fervor, embellished in smart, sparkling attires, complemented with 6 different props, the Birla High School Band musically marches on.
Thank you, sir. I request you to kindly take your seat in the pavilion. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to witness the torch-bearing ceremony, a ceremony of symbolic significance dating back to the inception of the Olympics, one that binds the ancient and the modern versions of the games firmly together, one that Birla High School observes each year to mark the achievements of the best athletes of the previous year. With the torch in his hand, taking the lap is Sareem Nasrat from class 12. For Sareem, sports and athletics have always been amongst his top priorities, and he has been involved in various sporting activities since his childhood. He has been honored with the position of the torchbearer for the second time, first time being in the sports meet for the year 2019-2020. He won the Best Athlete of the Year award in the year 2016-17 and in the year 2018-19 with 6 awards and 3 medals combining both the years. Sareem is a passionate cricketer. He has represented Mohammedan Sporting Club in CAB Under 13 and PC Academy in CAB Under 15. winning the Best Fielder Award in the second annual Interstate Oil Carrier Limited Cup. He's learned playing volleyball and basketball in the school, and he has won in fests like Exuberance 2022, where he was the vice captain of the team. He's the first Dan black belt in karate and have been training since 11 years now. He's won 8 gold, 4 silver and 6 bronze medals in karate tournaments over the years. He was felicitated with the title of the best karateka for 3 consecutive years between 2013 and 16. He's also represented West Bengal state team in the National Federation tournament organized in Kerala. Now, the torch is being passed on to Ishan Modi. Ishan has involved himself in various sporting activities. He has represented his school's basketball team that came first in the competition in Utopia 2022 and X-Hoop in Exuberance 2022. He was an integral part of the team, scoring match-winning points and leading his team to victory. He has represented his school in the Inter-School Basketball Tournament 2019, organized by the Calcutta Police Surgeons Institute, and emerged victorious. Participated and reached the semi-finals of the Junior NBA Basketball Tournament under 16. Ishan is a passionate cricketer who has represented his club in the CAB under 16.
Zoeb Haq of 10B Tagore House is now taking the torch with a great sense of pride and dignity. Zoeb is a sports enthusiast and his list of achievements span across various sporting events. Zoeb is a passionate football player, a member of the East Bengal Club, and has represented the school in football team in various events like Utopia and Exuberance. Zoeb is the proud recipient of 4 awards and 1 medal in the last pre-COVID sports. Zoeb is a part of the CAB under 13 and under 15 team. He is the highest wicket taker of the late Munar Ali Trophy in the under 13 category in 2019. Zoeb is a trained swimmer. Followed by Ibrahim Rangoonwala of the Ashok House. Ibrahim Rangoonwala was elected as the Joint Secretary for the session 2022-23. He is a true sports person. Being the captain of the school cricket team, he not only is one of the youngest players in the 2nd Division League team, but also leads his under-18 club team, having won several accolades for his all-round skills in the cricket field. He an enthusiastic sports person. He has played in the school volleyball team, which has bagged the first position in the Exuberance Fest held in the year 2022.
Now please put your hands together for Pratik Botra of 12Com A. Pratik has been into sports and athletics since his childhood. He was the school basketball team captain and has led his team in various tournaments, winning them too, both for intra and inter-school competitions. He is a skilled swimmer and has represented his school in various fests and swimming championships from his club. Pratik is the proud recipient of the Best Team Award for Basketball at the Utopia 2022 and Exuberance 2022. Pratik steered his way into the under-16 Junior National Basketball Association and played till the semi-finals. Everyone in the gallery, let us hear it for Pratik Bothra. And also for Shomil Mukherjee, who will take the final lap in this torch-bearing ceremony. Shomil Mukherjee is from class 12 Science. On 4th of December 2022, Shomil and his team won the Under-19 Boys Team Championship in the 4th Bengal State and Inter-District Championships 2022. In the men's category, Shomil and his team have won the bronze medal in the Under-19 Boys category in the State Championship. In October 2022, Shomil has proudly found an entry into the National Center of Excellence scheme for table tennis being operated at Sports Authority of India. He was also awarded a sponsorship from SAI, Government of India. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you our 6 torch bearers. And now, the torch bearers will join the houses. Ibrahim Rangoonwala to join Ashok House. Sarif Nasrat shall join the Tagore House. Zoeb Haq to join Gandhi House. Ishan Modi to join Netaji House. Shomil Mukherjee will join Pratap House. And Pratik Bothra will join Shivaji House. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us prepare ourselves for the oath-taking ceremony, followed by the school song. The oath shall be taken by Yuk Khemka, the school president from class 12, followed by all the students. I request all the students from classes 6 to 12 who are positioned in the gallery or enclosures to kindly rise for the oath. All in the gallery, the participants' enclosures, parents' enclosures, and honorable guests present today, we request you to kindly join for the oath-taking, as followed by the school song.
the students of Birla High School promise that we will take part in the annual sports meet 2022 in fair competition, respecting the regulations which govern them, and with the desire to participate in them in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our institution and the glory of sports.
We shall now have the school song. All in the gallery, the parents' enclosure, the participants' enclosures, and all the honorable guests today, we request you to rise for the school song.
With hearts full of joy and welcome on our lips. With hearts full of joy and welcome on our lips. We sing the Birla High School song. We sing the Birla High School song. We grow from strength to strength. We grow from strength to strength. Marching ahead all the time. Marching ahead all the time. Our hope shall never die. Our heads are held high. Our hope shall never die. Our heads are held high. We pledge to ceaselessly try. We pledge to ceaselessly try. To grow from strength to strength. To grow from strength to strength. Marching ahead all the time. Marching ahead all the time. From darkness on to light. From darkness on to light. Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya. Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya. With hearts full of joy and welcome on our lips. With hearts full of joy and welcome on our lips. We sing the Birla High School song. We sing the Birla High School song. We sing the Birla High School song.
May I now request our Honorable Chief Guest, Brigadier Balbir Singh, to kindly share his feelings and thoughts with our boys today.
School, standard, teach. Jai Hind. What a beautiful winter morning and what a lovely parade one witnessed. I'm so fortunate to be here. Let me thank the Secretary General and the Principal Ma'am, Mukta Ma'am, and all others, and above all this student. Let me congratulate you for a lovely march past. I have conducted 2 Republic Day parades in Delhi, so I know what parade is like. And I'm really delighted to see the standard of march past and his good grooming by everyone concerned and your hard work. Let me also congratulate you for being able to physically breathe in nearly pandemic-free world today. Let me also congratulate you for the victory of Indian Army over Pakistan some 51 years back and having liberated Bangladesh on this day in 1971. And above all, let me congratulate you for being in this sports arena. I have played all sports all my life and I know what it is like. Sports teaches you to be physically fit. It teaches you to be mentally alert. It teaches you to strategize and win. And above all, it teaches you to accept defeat. And that is why the word sportsmanship is all over the world. In every good thing, the word is related to sportsmanship. Because you know, to accept defeat, defeat is often a temporary situation. What makes it permanent is when you give up. Well, you have a classic example of Argentina having lost the very first match to an unfancied Saudi Arabia. And thereafter, they bounce back and see they are in finals. So this is what is not giving up, fighting back. And this is what the sportsmanship is all about. You share the same dressing room with your comrades and you learn so much. When you know you are in a position to score, yet you pass the ball to your comrade, seeing that he is possibly in a better position to score. And that is what the sportsmanship is all about. I really must congratulate all those who are here, and I feel those who are not participating are really missing out on something. They too must. My second point which I wish to convey, being an army man since I am here to talk, is one lesson I wish to leave with you is selection and maintenance of aim. This is the first principle of war we are taught. You have an aim in mind. What is aim? Ambition in mind. Okay. And you pursue it relentlessly. You have example from the history of Mahabharata where Arjun, वो चिड़िया की आंख दिखती थी उसको. You have, all of you know Mukesh Ambani, his father Dhirubhai Ambani, as a petrol pump attendant, he dreamt of owning not petrol pump, he dreamt of owning a refinery. And see where his ambition has taken him. So selection and maintenance of aim. I come from a very humble background. I studied in a Pathshala, Hindi medium school. In my school days, my dream was to go to NIT Bhopal, National Institute of Technology. And you will not believe, when I went to NIT, I did not even know that there is something called an IIT. When I heard the students, from public schools talking about, IIT, I said, yaar, ye IIT kya hota hai? So possibly I would have tried for that either. But what I'm trying to say is, you cannot achieve success without hard work. You have to have an ambition in mind. You have to select a name, pursue, and hard work. All of you must have seen a movie called 83. Do you remember the team manager from 83? P.R. Mansingh. I know him for ages. When I was a student, he was still elder to me. He used to be manager of a team called Hyderabad Blues. And if you join the Hyderabad Blues club, for first 6 months, He will not let you bat or bowl. He only make you do fielding. People don't know the background, that why he was selected as the manager of the Indian team. His contribution is not seen. But that is what is sheer hard work. Without wasting much of your time, you all are standing in the sun and I am under a cover. So my last point which I want to leave with you is remain a lifelong student. Education is never ever complete. I have come here today, I will take so many lessons from here. A man is a student even on his deathbed. So you continue to learn all your life. Once again, heartiest congratulations for a lovely parade, for being active. Thanks to all the dignitaries on my side for having given me this opportunity to be here. God bless you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir, for your truly motivating and inspiring words of wisdom. Sir, I request you to kindly declare the athletic meet of Birla High School 2022 open and release the balloons. I also request Major General V.N. Chaturvedi, Secretary General Vidya Mandir Society, Deputy Secretary General Colonel Taposh Bera, Miss Mukta Nayan, Director Vidya Mandir Society, and Mrs. Loveleen Sehgal, Principal, Birla High School, to kindly assemble for the release of the balloons. We are also happy to announce that we have Mrs. Anita Singh too to
It gives me
join.
immense pride to declare the annual sports meet open.
Thank you, sir, and all our guests. The colorful balloons soaring high up, filling the blue expanse with bright hues up into the clear sky, carrying the message of love and peace, reminding us of freedom and liberation, commitment and sacrifice. Thank you, everyone. I request all of you to take your seats in the pavilion and enjoy the events of the day.